So my talk is more on AI, but not really much on practical aspect of AI, but a very interesting aspect of AI, which is AI image generation. Okay. Yeah. So let me start with a question. How many of you think that any of these images are real or which one are artificial? So there are two real images and three artificial. Just have a look and we'll come back to this in a moment. So what my agenda today is, I'll talk about image generation with AI, possibilities of how we can leverage it in our practice or in doing a lot of things. I'll give certain examples, and then there is something special that I have to share with all of you today, which I'm going to share at the end of my presentation. Are these people real? Look at these photographs. Is the child real? Is the dog real? Is this viewpoint or the ice cream, is this real? None of them are real. They are all AI generated. The issue is, again, we come back to this. Now, how many of you think number 2 is artificial? Can you raise your hands? Okay. How many of you think number 4 is artificial? Cool. So I'll tell you, number 3 and number 4 are real images. Number 4 is Buddy, which is Neeraj's dog. So 3 and 4 are real, and these 3 are artificial. The point is that they are indistinguishable from real images. And this is just the beginning of AI image generation. I mean, it is in a very early phase. It's hardly 8 months that it has started and gained traction. And it has reached at such stage that it is, even at present, quite indistinguishable. So there are 3 main AI image generation tools. DAL-E is from the OpenAI group, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. So I'll cover mostly Midjourney because that is the go-to app for AI image generation. So Midjourney is the best app for AI image generation. Let me ask you a question. How many of you have heard about Midjourney or used it? Raise your hands. Has anybody? Okay. So this will be really interesting for all of you because you're going to see this for the first time, and there are a lot of new things in this next 10 minutes. So Midjourney basics. I'll take you through the basics of it. So Midjourney runs on a platform called Discord. Okay, this is Discord. This is the Discord homepage. Just Google it, and you have to download it. Discord is a platform on which these programs run. Most of the AI tools will run on Discord. So just download, very simple to register. Once you download and register with your email, everything becomes automated. This is the Midjourney website. I mean, it looks very haphazard, but to me it looks really beautiful. How the numbers and letters, they wove around to create something fantastic. So that's the Midjourney website. You need to go here, join the beta. Once you click on join the beta, put in your details, and your Discord is already open in your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using, you will automatically reach Discord of Midjourney. So this is how Discord looks. Okay, so you can find Midjourney here, and this is all the Midjourney, what you can call as feed. So people are posting their images here. What you need to create is create your own server on Discord. This is on Discord. You can name it anything. Okay, and click on create. I've already created a server which is called Fantastic AI. Server creation is very simple. You click on this plus sign and it creates. The other part is you need to add the Midjourney bot, and you add the Midjourney bot to your own server. This is the preliminary stage for you to prepare yourself for Discord and Midjourney. Once you do that, you have your own server in which Midjourney is installed. So that's the preliminary stage. Everything in AI, audio, yeah, everything in AI works on prompts. So prompt engineering is a separate branch for AI, which is going to become like keywords for PubMed. So they are very similar, but really, really advanced things. So AI will do things only when properly prompted for. So I'll take you through how to make Midjourney give you proper images that you really want. Okay. So these are few keywords. For example, select an artistic medium. So you need to select a medium. This is what is called an artistic style. So block print, folk art, this is just examples of it. Okay, you can select any of this style to create what you want to create. For example, I want to create a Victorian style Elon Musk portrait. Okay, you can replace this by anybody's name, or you can even upload your photograph. So let's see how it does. So here I was trying to do Modi with Indian attire. So I put my prompt here, okay, Victorian style Elon Musk, and it's going to take, most of these will take around 40 seconds to create the image that you want. So I'll just sail through. So it is creating, this is how it creates. So percentage wise it comes up there. So it takes around 40-45 seconds. And I think this is done now. So you can see this image, it will come up. It has taken Elon Musk's photographs from the internet because he is a very well-known personality, and it creates him in a Victorian attire. Okay, within seconds it can create all this. So that's the first thing. You select a style of what you're going to create. Then you can also time travel in AI, in Midjourney. So you can talk about styles in 1700s, 1800s, or even in decade-wise. So it will select that kind of style that is prevalent in that decade or in that century and create your image. You can even add emotions. So you can add happy or sleepy or angry. So all these prompts are important for you to get the image that you want. It is not magic. It has to be prompted properly. So I write here 1990s Elon Musk happy portrait. So I put a time, I put a emotion also. And portrait is the style for me. So again, I give it a prompt here. When I click slash, it gives me image option and I can just copy and paste my prompt there. It will take some time for you to get used to it. Okay. So it is creating now 62, and so once it creates, you can see it creates the emotion so well. Some of the images may not be optimal, but if you see and expand it, it gives a very high resolution image. Okay, these are like 8x quality images, and these looks really hyper realistic. So mind you, you can replace Elon Musk with anybody that you want. I'll teach you also that how to change the face of the image that you generated. Get colorful. So you can add any kind of color, as well as you can select color palettes. If you know about the color coding of palettes, you can actually put that prompt in Midjourney. So again, of course, the background you can select. So any kind of background that you wish. So cats are just given as examples. So this is my full prompt now. 1990s Elon Musk in a millennium pink coat in car production background. So let's see how Midjourney takes my entire prompt. So again, same image, I copy pasted the prompt, and it's generating the thing, and there you go. So mind you, this is all completely artificial. There is no photograph of Elon Musk where he is wearing a pink suit and sitting in this background. Look at the details of the face and how this is not correct. So it does do mistakes. So the other photograph of Musk was not really good. But look at the details here. And you can swap it with anybody. Again, an orthopedic surgeon with a surgical cap, looking happy in operation theater in floodlights, close-up shots, cinematic 8K. So this is like my prompt. The same prompt that I give to PubMed to get my articles. It's a very similar concept. So this is a female orthopedic surgeon, the earlier image, where it gave me a proper high resolution image. Again, like I said, it's just the issue of prompts. and it gave me an image of 4 surgeons which I can utilize then. Okay. Face swap. Like I said, you can change the face of image that you have with anybody else's or your own image. Okay? So whatever you generated, you can change the face of that image. So this is again Discord. There is something called as inside face swap. It is again a program there on Discord, and you need to add it to your server. Once you add it to your server, then you can simply add a prompt. So for example, here I'm creating a Superman face. So you can create any of this. Okay? So it is taking some time to prepare that. Okay. Yeah. So it has created these images. This U1 and U3 is upscaling while this is variants. Upscaling means it will take that particular image and make it enlarged or make it a really high resolution one on which then I can work on. So after I do that, I upload an image of whoever I wish to swap the face with. For example, here I've taken Neeraj's face and I've given it an ID. So NB is the ID for Neeraj. And I go ahead and click this. This is an image from the earlier prompt. I click these 3 dots, go to apps, INS swapper, and it will swap the face with Neeraj's face. So now Neeraj is the Superman. So it can do much better with the image. As you go on experimenting, this image comes really, really good. Using ChatGPT to create mid-journey prompts. Neeraj is going to speak on ChatGPT, but I'll just show you the interface, how to use ChatGPT to get much better prompts for your mid-journey. So this is the ChatGPT interface. So I'll click on the new, I'll click on the new chat, and it opens. I'll select GPT-4 and I go to plugins. In plugins, I need to select this photorealistic because this is the one that is going to give me prompts for mid-journey. Otherwise, in general, ChatGPT 3.5 will not give you optimal prompts. So once I put that plugin in ChatGPT 4, I am typing here generate a prompt for mid-journey to create a hyper-realistic Ganesh idol kind of photograph. So it is thinking for some time. Now it will start using photorealistic to generate the prompt. So photorealistic is another plugin or a small program on which runs on ChatGPT, and it will immediately give me 2 different prompts for mid-journey. So within seconds it creates 2 different prompts, so I can copy these prompts and take it to mid-journey. Okay, so I copy this second one and I go back to my Discord on mid-journey and I just paste it there. So imagine and prompt, and I copy and paste there. So it has a lot of things. So it gave me a really detailed prompt so that I can get a really good image. So like I said, it takes 40 to 45 seconds to create these images. So again, within that 1 single minute, it created 4 different images of really good images of Ganesh idol. And you can keep on customizing this. You can put it in various kinds of decades, era, or even like an Italian image or like a South Korean image. You can put all that prompts into it and get variations. So that's the ChatGPT thing. So that's about mid-journey. So it's just an introduction to a very, very simple and easy program that gives you really, it's just fun to create all this. Nothing really academically that you gain out of it. So mid-journey is one of the best ones. Playground AI is the second one, which does the same thing. Again, this is free, while mid-journey is paid. But this is the interface of Playground AI. There is a canvas here where you can generate your things. There is filters where you can select. So there are a lot of things that are there. These are the filters that are available for Playground AI. These are also available in mid-journey. Okay. So again, you can copy paste the same prompt that I used in from the chat GPT, the Ganesh prompt I added here. But you can see in the end, the image is not as optimal as Midjourney. It really, you can upscale an image here, but it is not as optimal as Midjourney. But it is free, so you can utilize it. Stable diffusion is another free one which you can use. This is the website, you can just open it and check it out. So this is the stable diffusion thing. You can just directly add your prompt here on the website itself. You don't need to go to Discord. So that is the good part of stable diffusion, and it starts generating. It takes time. It is quite slow as compared to Midjourney. So that's about stable diffusion. So these are the three things that I wanted to talk about AI image generation. And then let's come to the last part. Like I said, a new frontier has dawned since November 2022 when ChatGPT and AI and everything came into play. But this was building over a period of a decade, where we started with smaller computer algorithms, went on into cybernetics because algorithm couldn't do much. They were small programs, went into neural networks, which were like replicating the human brain, went on to machine learning, deep learning. All these programs became more and more complex. Along with that, there was big data input. So the internet was growing at a tremendous speed with huge data. There is around 120 zettabytes of data in 2023 currently, which is accessible. And the computing power was billion and billion operations in a second. So with the increase of this data as well as computing power and foundation of generative models of AI, we could get something like ChatGPT, and combination of all this, deep learning, big data, generative model is ChatGPT, and computing power, we could create something new, which is called Orthopaedic AI. So Ortho AI is what me and Neeraj and Dr. Parag were working over a period of last 6 months, and this is what we have created. So this is the web portal of Ortho AI, and these are the certain details of it and how it works. So they're very simple, same based on prompts like I told you in Midjourney. Ortho AI also works with text prompts on very similar to ChatGPT. The advantage is that it has a very focused database. Okay, database is optimized for orthopedic surgeons. If you ask ChatGPT, it will give you a very rough answer, but this will give you very, very specific answer. This is how it starts to work. So I've asked about algorithm for Perthes disease. Even spelling mistakes don't slow it down. It gives a proper answer for everything. So it will continue creating for some time. So it gave a really good answer. So even students can use it to create answers for short notes and things. When you put up a clinical scenario or surgical scenario, it will give you different options that are available currently with literature. So this has access to backend data as well as it has access to PubMed. So with PubMed, it has all the recent articles that you can think of. So it is an evidence-based, okay, and experience-enhanced. So it is not only literature, it is based on experience also. It is tailored for us to be a live 24/7 surgical companion to assist us whenever we get stuck any point of time. It is specifically made for students for exam purposes. So it helps in all of these. So this is what we could develop over a period of time. So that's about Ortho AI, and you can scan the code and join our WhatsApp group. So that's all from me. Thanks.